In this video, I am going to explain how to design a alloywheel in Fusion 360. You can use it for 3D printing and manufacture it and assemble it to a RC car. So before getting into video, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe so that you won't miss any of the upcoming videos. Let's get into video. The first setting you have to do is go to document setting and check whether the units are in mm. So now go to create sketch and select the top view and move to the point above the center point. So the next step you have to do is go to line and create a simple sketch like this. And press escape and do the same process on the other side. Just repeat the pattern what you done before. So what you have to is go to revolve. The entire profile is selected. Now you have to select the axis of rotation. So you have to give this red one, that is the x-axis. Now you see rim is created. See this? So the outer alloy is now created. Yes, now the outer surface of the alloy is created. So this is the front view. Now we have what have to do is we have to design the inner parts. So what you have to do is go to front view and go to solid sketch and go to create. First select the front view, that is this view, and now go to create and arc, 3-point arc. Select this point and now the center point will be, don't give it too much so it won't be nice, so give it like this, the center. So the arc will be like this. So the next step what you have to do is go to simple line and a simple line like this and connect it and press enter. So now the next step you have to go do is select this part and go to revolve. The surface is selected. Now we have to select the axis of rotation, this red line, so that will be like this. So in the operation you have to give it as new body. So see that it will be like this, and okay. Now what you have to do is go to this view and create sketch, and now what you have to do is I'm going to sketch on this view. Okay, now go to circle and select the center point and draw a circle for 20 mm. Now again go to circle, select the same center point and draw a circle for exactly this font and press enter. Okay. Okay. Now the next step we have to do is go to line and select this point and create a random sketch for the line. Press enter. So create a sketch like this. Now the next step you have to go to create sketch, select one point, go to line, so now do it like this. Now the next step you have to do is go to finish sketch. Make sure that these lines meet the outer circle so that it will be easy when you do an extrude. Okay, now the next step will be you have to go to create and select circular pattern. So a pop-up will open like this. So now you have to select the object. Now select all the lines that you have created. So now the circular pattern of 6 quantity is created. So okay. So the next step you have to do is go to finish sketch and go to extrude, and now we have to go to extrude, select the surfaces and profiles that you want to remove. So once you select all the surfaces, you have to set the operation as cut and extrude it outwards like this. Press OK. So this is how it looks like. So now the next step what you have to do is go to the top view and go to create sketch and select the top plane and go to line, and from this point to this point you have to create a line and again create a line like this. Press enter. Go to fillet and select this plane and go fillet. Press enter. So now select finish sketch and go to revolve and profile, select this one, and the axis should be this red line, that is the x-axis. Press enter. So the surface will be created like this, and you can give OK. And if you want to increase the size of the layer, press pull. And now the next step you have to give is the paint. So go to render and right click on this and go to appearance and select the faces here and go for liquid, glossy black, these faces, repeat it over on all the sides. And on this rim part you can give any color if you want. You can give it as blue, change to see, you can give even red color. You can give yellow. So once the appearance is given, so this will be the final outlook. So that's how you design a wheel using Fusion 360. You can use this for 3D printing and make a wheel for a RC vehicle. So if you like this video, you can share to anyone. So if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, and if you have any doubts, comment in the comment section. Those doubts will be clarified in the upcoming videos.